Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EBIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, although it's been a while since the last update, but that is where this green line is coming from, just one of the previous videos I've done on it. But I'm going to go ahead and use this green line for a little nearer term level, just because sure, this line still pertains. It's just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. Newest area of support and what I would consider the ideal level. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can hold above $2.65. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.65, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above $2.65, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move. Just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above the line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. How are you going to visualize that? No questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 265 would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are 100% in control of the chart. What about levels of resistance? If you're watching level 2s today, I'm sure you know exactly where I'm headed with this line, but the sellers really didn't hide themselves. They made themselves pretty apparent that they are hanging out currently around the 285 mark. You can see several times, late morning, early afternoon, the price will, try to get up through there, but just couldn't quite do it. So 285, public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, the chart remains fully in the bulls' control. As long as the price keeps on building those higher bases like it's been doing, the overall chart will continue to take care of itself. Very nice way to start off the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.